don't give a damn and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he's smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. This is slow, so I give him a pass. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn and I'm still getting money, I know who I am.
That's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here with NadulaHair and I'm so excited because today's unit is going to be a glueless unit, and the unit is actually designed to be worn with no hairspray, no lace glue, none of that. So this is how the lace come. As you guys can see, it comes pre-cut. So if we struggle a little bit with cutting the lace, baby, they did the job for us. So this is the overall construction. You know, got the adjustable elastic band. This is key to having your your wig stay on your head. Okay, you need the band. And I love this little grip method. They remove the drawstring. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my head so we can see what she's gonna give, and we're gonna jump right into the video. Alright y'all, so I don't have my microphone on, so it probably sounds airy, and I do apologize if it sounds airy. I do have my ceiling fan on. But y'all, this is what the hair looks like straight out of the package. Like, I didn't do anything to this hair at all. Literally took it out of the package and sat it on my head. Now, I was showing you guys in the beginning clips the little security that it has around the unit to make it snug to your head. I love that feature. Like, around the perimeter, baby, you cannot tell me nothing. My wig is not going nowhere, okay? But let's zoom in so you guys can see the hairline. They did the dang thing when it comes to the hairline. I'm not going to do any plucking, any work of that nature to this unit. You can part anywhere, so if I wanted to do a side part, I could do a side part with this unit. Once you turn the wig inside out, you're just going to take a tinting spray of your choice and just spray the lace. Now, this stuff is just the makeup off my head. So I'm going to take my Red by Kisses lace tinting spray. This is in the shade medium dark brown. I usually use medium brown, but I ran out of it. Oh, can y'all see? And allow it to dry. Alright y'all, so as you guys can see, the lace is tinted. Y'all see how that middle part lay down? Okay. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is fix this part because who, what, and why. Normally, I just like to go like this to make sure everything is centered. So I take the end of my comb and follow it all the way up from my nose. And that should help my part be centered the way I like it. Would it slide back some? But I don't think it's gonna come off. It's still here, but it is sliding back. It's sliding back. I'm gonna take my 𝚑𝚑𝚗𝚝 wax stick. You can use whatever wax stick you got. Well, y'all probably already seen that. So I'm gonna take my wax stick and just place it on the hairline just so I can see what I'm gonna do. So with some of the footage lost, y'all wasn't able to see me trim off more of that lace. I had to trim off more of the lace because it wasn't laying super duper flat along my hairline, my forehead area. So I felt like trimming a little bit more off and closer to the hairline allowed it to lay flat. Now, it may not do that on you. Be mindful, we all have different head shapes, so just do what is best for you. So I'm just showing you guys that it's not melted, but it looks melted, okay? I tighten the band in the bag, and y'all, when I say it ain't going nowhere now, baby, guess what? She not coming off. Like, y'all see? I think I'm gonna straighten. I'm gonna blow dry this out really quick. I'm just gonna spray my hands with my Beyond the Zone. I'm just gonna put one spray lightly, put my hands together and just run it through. And that's just heat protecting spray. But the products that I used in this hair, I do not want to weigh it down, so I'm just gonna do one pump of that. Okay, so we got the band, got the goods, and like I said, there's nothing. I'm not melting or doing any of that. I'm just putting this on while I blow dry it.
So I am just going in with a what is that, a paddle brush, and we're just gonna take that brush and just blow dry blow dry the waves out of the hair. Like I said, you can wear it in its natural state, but this is what the hair will look like after you wash and condition it. Now it does look a little shiny because I did spray some hair sheen in there and I went a little OD, so it does look a little way down. So you just don't add no hairspray at all.
I went on Amazon and I bought this Remington flat iron because, like I said, if you are a beginner, I want the products that you pick up to be affordable. This is my baby, okay? It's on $370, and like I said, we gonna put this bad boy up to $450. I think I'm about to take this band off because I don't want no mark on my head. Like, this is melting and I ain't even melted. Y'all know I didn't melt this. Oh, and let me know it's done. Look. I melt that and it look melted. Alright, so we're gonna start with this side first.
While I'm straightening my hair, I'm gonna give you guys my overall thoughts and we're gonna get up out of here, okay? So this unit is supposed to be a wear and go unit, pretty much where you can just take it out the box and just put it on your head and go. Now, as you guys see, I actually put a little bit of work into it to customize it to my liking. However, I did not do no plucking. I did not do any bleaching of the knots. I didn't do anything. The most two important stuff for beginners that I feel like they have a hard time with is cutting that lace and also plucking. And those two steps are taken care of with this unit because, sis, you ain't gotta do none of it. Now, like I said, I had to personally trim mine a little bit more because it wasn't laying flat on my head. So it may fit perfectly flat on your head and look perfectly fine, but just remember, our head shapes are different, so the wig's gonna look kind of different depending on your head shape. So do keep that in mind. So if you have to trim it up, just trim up the lace. As far as like the plucking and the bleaching, y'all, you don't need no bleach. Look at my knots. I didn't bleach them. And who wants to do all that stuff anyway? Not me, okay? So I feel like they just make it super duper easier. I mean, easier for us to install our unit, especially if you are a newbie. Now, I decided to straighten the hair because I feel like for beginners, anybody can straighten their hair. Just grab a flat iron, take a comb or a brush, and just follow through it. So it was super easy. Now, even if you don't know how to straighten your hair or don't want to straighten your hair, you can wear it in the waves, as y'all seen what the texture looks like after you wash and condition it. So overall, y'all, I'm obsessed with this unit. Now, here I'm just going in to define the part a little bit. I was surprised and I'm very impressed of how this lace melted without any lace glue. I'm gonna show you guys. There is still not no glue. I did put a little bit of gel on there to form the baby hair. This is just what it is. Now, it did slide back a little bit during the day, so I may have to secure down the sides of the unit so it can just stay in place. But other than that, y'all, this unit is a 10 out of 10. Chef's kiss. Nadula, y'all did y'all thing with this unit. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.